pipe, a little wedge. Who knows? Okay, so one more. Which is welcome back, everybody. It's been a hell of a week. I tried to put some of this on film earlier, and I don't know, maybe I didn't push the record button, I don't know. But got a couple of parts. There's one. It says 1915 on it. They're all pretty much the same. I think the earlier ones had a knob up here instead of a screw, but it's a hell of a find. It's even got the screen in it. So I'll be looking for the bulb and the hose and the reed for that at some point. I picked out an engine. Went through that a little bit. I'll put that in here right now. I think he said this was all original. Now it's been apart. Somebody punched it with a 2. Maybe he did. He must have. One piece, the 2-piece valves rather. So that's original. What do you think? You see anything? Absolutely nothing. So these are going to be stock. Gotta be. We got a broken ear. It's not a problem. We have an engine number, so that's good. We have a pan. The valves are in it. Does that mean that the yeah, camshaft's in it? Doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look bad at all. I think we've got ourselves an engine. It looks like a good engine. It's one my grandfather had in his collection, and he gave it to me when he was done. And he said it seemed to be a really good one. It was something special about it. I don't know. I found a head that was a historically significant find. So that's interesting as well. Yeah, if I'm wrong, somebody tell me, but there's a 6, there's a 3, and there's a 5 up here. There's something here I can't quite make out. Maybe maybe something fell on it. But if I'm right, that is the head off my grandfather's 13, and that's the first car that came off the assembly line. And I think it's going to be the one that goes on this project. I don't know if I showed this in the last one or not, but I managed to procure this. So we'll be going through that. This is supposed to be black background and raised letters. We'll see. Hopefully I can pull that off and make it back original the way it was. So that is a very awesome find. There's the lock for it. You pull the lock out, and then you can't put the ignition on. It's got the screws. Came in a little bag. It's got screws. Nope, I cannot make it wider. It's as wide as it goes. But there's a brass taillight. It's probably 1914, if I was to guess. It's even got still got the burner and the wick in it. Get you in there. So there's 2 of them. They're both the same. This is an awesome find. These are going to look beautiful on my car. So there's this week's edition. I've started drawing the coil box for the coil box project. So hopefully I can pull that off. It's in the very early stages at the moment. So I don't know. I've taken measurements and I've got to put it in the computer and draw it up. See if I can cut one. Oh dear. Alright, there we go. Alright, well, stay tuned. Stay with me. We're going to be building this car eventually. It's going to take a while. I still need pieces, and I'm going to need some money for the stuff that I can't barter for. So if you can please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button on any videos that you actually like, and turn the notifications on. Follow me along on this journey. We're going to go from nothing to a gas and brass speedster. So I hope you stick around. Thanks.